Hello and welcome to my channel, guys. Today I have a handbag unboxing, guys. Oh my god. Yes, I know I did it. Just one, guys. Just one. I know I said I was not gonna be spending and I was not gonna try to buy handbags, guys, but I actually had this one in mind because it was supposed to drop last year, but it didn't. It dropped until January 7th. It was a Coach Outlet drop, guys, and I even told you guys about it. I made a post about it. So it doesn't really count, does it? I don't know, because technically it was supposed to drop last year, so I'm just making excuses. So guys, I ordered it on the drop date and literally it just got here, guys. It kept getting delayed and delayed and delayed, and I finally got it, guys. I want to see it. Everybody already got theirs and I'm still here waiting for mine. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm super excited. Let's unbox. So here it is, guys, and okay, like I said, I'm gonna try my best to slow down on my buying. I just really wanted this bag, and the drop for the end of this month is calling me too, but guys, I can't. Oh my gosh, somebody help me, somebody stop me. But okay, it's okay. I'm so excited. I waited long enough. I got my handy dandy crafting knife. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Like I said, this is from the Coach Outlet, and I believe it's still in stock. I thought it was gonna sell out, but I guess not. Yeah. So I'll link it for you guys if you guys are interested. Last time I checked, it was still in stock. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna give you guys the first look, okay? Let me take out the bubble wrap, whatever you call it. Here it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, here it is. She's all wrapped up. Love that. Let's open it. I need to see this bag now. Oh my gosh, guys. Can you guess what it is? Pause the video real quick, go in the comments down below and say, what do you think it is, okay? From the January 7th drop. Let's unveil. Oh my gosh, guys. Yes, it is the Etta. I totally blanked out for the name because I was so excited. The Etta in the light khaki chenille, guys. Oh my gosh. I have the bigger one in the brown, the dark brown, and I really wanted the small one as well, but I was like, no, let me just skip out. I already got the brown one right there, as you can see. So I was like, when I saw this one, I was like, oh my god, I need that bag. So I waited. It was supposed to drop in December, like I said. It didn't. It got moved to January, and that's why I had to wait. So this is gonna be my push present, to lose weight. Like I told you guys, I'm set. I'm gonna do this. I already lost 5 pounds, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So yeah, this is my push present, okay? Push present. So let's take off all this paper and stuff so we can get a good look at it. Oh my gosh, okay. Let me check real quick that nothing's wrong with this bag. This area of the bag at least, before I keep on unwrapping, okay? Okay, yeah, I'm not happy with this. So she has like a little thing right here. Can you guys see that? I don't like that. She also has this right here. I don't know if you guys can see right there. It has something right there. I don't know if it was like extra glue or something. And then the hardware here, it's already like chipped. Can you guys see that? It has like 2 pieces that are chipped, and I'm touching it and it feels like rough. I'm gonna go ask for a replacement and we'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back. I actually went to the store, guys, and returned it right now, exchanged it actually, because I was not gonna stick with that one. You saw how it was, and I was like, no. I don't know why I do this to myself. I always just order online when I could just go to the store. But you know, if you know me, you know I'll try to avoid driving any way I can. But anyways, okay, so I went to the store. I exchanged it. I got a new one. I'm not gonna wrap it because it's already unwrapped, because I was not about to leave the store with the bag that was wrapped and then come home and then it's messed up and then I had to go back and exchange it again. So I was like, let me just grab one that is already unwrapped. And I looked at it really close. I didn't like completely admire it because I want to like look at it with you guys, if that makes sense. But yeah guys, I saw that it was okay, so I was like, let's take it home, let's go back and finish this video. So here it is, guys, in the baggie, and I'm gonna take it out. Ooh. So here she is, all unwrapped like I said. I just checked like the strap that is inside. I'll show you guys right now. Make sure that nothing's wrong with it, everything looks good. So like I was telling you guys, this is the Etta Light khaki. Okay, I have the dark brown one and I love it, and I wanted it in this size as well. But when I saw that this was gonna drop, I don't know how much I said before, like, you know, in the morning, but I wanted it, so I waited and waited, and it finally dropped. So I got it right here, guys. Yeah, after all that delayed wait just to go have to exchange it, right? But here she is, guys. Look at the front. Super cute. The side, she does come with a tag. Look at that. It says Coach. Nothing in the back. And then this thing that, again, I don't know what it is, for keys, I'm guessing. I don't know. But it has like the little keychain thing right there. Yeah, so it has that. It is removable if you don't like it. And then it is a detachable strap, because this does come with a crossbody strap. How awesome. I like how this just stands out like that. Maybe it's because it was like hanging on the wall, but standing up straight, I like that. Look at the hardware. The back, it has a zipper pocket. I always do the up close looks, guys, so I'll do that pretty soon so you guys can get even a better look. This is the interior of the back pocket. And then now let's look inside. Let me know if you guys would like to see like a comparison of this light chenille compared to the darker one. And then this is the interior. Look at that. I just love the slouchiness of these bags. This is the interior. It has a pocket in there as well. Super cute. And then this is the strap that it comes with. It has 5 holes. So whatever works for you, you know. 5 on each side. And yeah, this matches the leather on the bag. It's leather, right? I don't even know. But yeah. And then it has like the push-up lock. And you just push it. Hold on. And then it unlocks. So yeah, guys. Oh my god, I'm just... it was a hassle to get this bag, apparently. Clearly. So yeah, and then it does say it is $275 USD. I got it for $219. And then let me tell you guys what happened to me. So I got it, right? I looked, well, I got in the store. Damn thing went beeping because the bag I guess I got from the store had like that little whatever thingy that goes off. And then they're looking at me like, but I was like, I have a package, you know, like I sent it back all, like I took it back all like wrapped up, right? And then I saw the bags. Thank God they had some. And I was like going through all of them. They had like 4, and I went through all of them to make sure it was perfect, you know. And then when I went up to the counter and I was like telling the girl like I want to exchange it, and then she's like, oh, we're gonna have to return it and then you can buy this one. I was like, it's the same bag, you know, like what? You know, I just want to exchange it. I don't want to buy a different bag. It's the same bag. And she's like, oh, let me talk to the manager. I was like, if they were gonna make me return it, I was just gonna be like, you know what, I don't want the bag. I don't want to deal with it. I don't want to deal with that. Or like, you know, just go through online thing, whatever. It's stupid because on the website it says to go to the store if you want to exchange it. No issues, no problems. So yeah, they ended up just exchanging it because I was like, yeah, it doesn't make sense. It's the same bag. But yeah, I am so happy, guys. She is so pretty. I like the light color. How do we look together? I always tell you guys, how do we look together? But I am so happy I got her finally for all those months of wait, because I had seen the pictures of the light chenille. She looks so pretty, guys. And I'm so happy I didn't get the smaller size like this one of the dark brown one. So now I have one dark and then one light. Super cute, guys. So yeah, guys, I'm so happy with her. I can't wait to use her. I'm gonna move right into her. I was waiting for this. This is the bag I was waiting for. But I told you guys, I was like, I'm waiting for one bag. This is my push present, you know, like, come on, girl, let's lose this weight this year. Let's do it. I'm not gonna buy a bag, even though I saw the drop coming at the end of this month. The pink, like, denim, right? Is it denim? I don't even know, but it was like pink. Oh my god, it's so pretty. But guys, oh my god, I wanted this one so bad. So yeah, keep an eye out because I am gonna do like a up close look, and then what fits inside, you know. Oh, let me know if you want to see the comparison, even though it's not the same size, but you know, color wise, maybe, I don't know, we can work something out with that. But yeah, guys, and then I'm so happy that they dropped the smaller one because people wanted the big one, right? But I was like, no, I want the small one because I already have a big one of the other one, so I can exchange, you know, so I can switch between them. But yeah, guys, okay, so let me know what you think about this super cute, gorgeous bag. Leave me a lovely comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And if you already did, thank you so much. I really do appreciate every single one of you. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.